Welcome to our channel where you will learn how to become Google Analytics certified step by step with ease to get started with Google Analytics certification. First, create a Google account if you don't already have one. Your Google account will give you access to the Google Analytics platform and all associated resources. Once you have your account ready, go to the Google Analytics Academy website. This is where you will find all the official courses designed to prepare you for the certification exam. Enroll in the Google Analytics for Beginners course. This course is perfect for those new to analytics and covers fundamental concepts such as how to set up an account, implement tracking code, and read reports effectively. Take your time completing the lessons and practice using the Google Analytics interface to familiarize yourself with its tools. After finishing the beginner course, move on to the Advanced Google Analytics course. This course dives deeper into data collection, configuration, and advanced analysis techniques you will need to master for certification. It offers practical examples and exercises to strengthen your skills further. Simultaneously, explore the Google Analytics Individual Qualification GAIC study guide provided by Google. This guide outlines the topics covered in the exam and helps you focus your study on key areas. When you feel confident, register to take the GAIQ exam through Google's Skillshop platform. The test is free and consists of multiple-choice questions covering all aspects of Google Analytics functionality. It typically lasts about 90 minutes, and you need to score at least 80% to pass. During the exam, take your time to carefully read each question and recall the lessons you studied. If you don't pass on your first attempt, don't worry, review the topics again and try the exam when you're ready. Once you pass, you will receive an official certificate valid for 12 months. Keep in mind that Google updates its platform frequently, so continuous learning is important to maintain your expertise. Showcase your new certification on professional networks like LinkedIn and include it on your resume to enhance your career opportunities. By following these steps closely and dedicating time to study, you can successfully become Google Analytics certified and gain valuable skills to advance your digital marketing or data analysis career. Remember to practice regularly and stay updated on Google Analytics developments to keep your certification and knowledge fresh.